Okay, so in this case one, we have an AP right shoulder. And just before we get started into the critique, it's kind of good to know what anatomy you're looking at. Okay, so from the previous video that we went through the humerus, this is the proximal humerus, aka the humeral head. So the humeral head comes around over here. The humeral head is situated within the glenoid fossa, which is part of the scapula. And the scapula basically goes down over here, the medial border of the scapula coming down, comes in over here. We have the coracoid process, and then we have the acromion over here. And then we have the clavicle, so we have the lateral borders and medial borders of the clavicle. And also what is in this x-ray but you can't necessarily see is the sternum, which is kind of situated somewhere along this area. And so in these areas, we have a few joints of interest that are always relevant on shoulder x-rays. The first is the glenohumeral joint, which is basically the joint between the glenoid fossa and the humerus, so over here. Then is the acromioclavicular joint, so the acromion and the clavicle joining together. And then lastly, we have the sternoclavicular joint, so the sternum and the clavicle joined together. Those are the kind of joints and anatomy that we're meant to look for when you're looking at a AP shoulder in this case.